This is a flyby tour of some of the notable buildings in Letchworth Garden City. These 3D buildings, which are displayed in Google Earth, were produced as entries for Letchworth's 2012 3D Buildings competition. We start at Letchworth Garden City Railway Station. Built in 1912 in the arts and crafts style, it lies on the Cambridge line from London's King's Cross. The 3D model seen here is the winning entrant in the 3D Buildings competition. We leave the railway station along Broadway Walk, looking toward the only two 3D models which had been put on Google Earth prior to the competition, the Town Hall on the left and North Arts College on the right. Entering the Broadway Gardens, we see the former grammar school building built in 1931. It shut in 1974 to be replaced by Fernhill Comprehensive School on Icknield Way. The old grammar school building has subsequently been utilised for various local authority services. Across the Broadway Gardens we see the Nexus building. Originally this was the ICL building, a 1964 concrete office block. It was retrofitted with this modern exterior seen here in the 1990s by Letchworth Garden City Heritage Foundation. On the corner of Gernon Road is the library, built in 1938. Next to it is the Brotherhood Hall, which is used by various community groups. The Broadway Cinema, Letchworth's independent cinema, built in 1935, retains its Art Deco character after being sympathetically refurbished by the Heritage Foundation in the early 2000s into a state-of-the-art 4-screen complex. Down Gernon Road are the offices of North Hertfordshire District Council. Past the Free Church, which was built in 1925, we find the Mrs. Elizabeth Howard Memorial Hall. Opened in 1906, it was Letchworth's first public building, paid for by public subscription in memory of Ebenezer Howard's first wife, Lizzie, who died in 1904. Extended and refurbished in 2007, it is used by local community groups. Along Norton Way South is the first Garden City Heritage Museum, originally the office of town architects Barry Parker and Raymond Unwin in 1907, designed in the form of a medieval hall house with white rough-cast walls and thatched roof. It is now managed by the Letchworth Garden City Heritage Foundation and open to the public. It is the home of an exhibition of photographs, maps, drawings, plans and objects of memorabilia relating to the early development of the Garden City. Heading out towards the edge of town, we approach the North Hertfordshire Leisure Centre on the Baldock Road. Opened in 1982, it houses an indoor swimming pool with wave machine, a sports hall, a fitness suite and a cafe. As we cross over Letchworth's industrial area, we can see Foundation House on Icknield Way. In 2012, this was the home of Letchworth Garden City Heritage Foundation, the landlord of Letchworth Garden City Estate, and which operates under charitable commitments to the town. The town's Lido-style open-air swimming pool is situated on the southeast corner of Norton Common. The outdoor pool was built in 1935 and is operated by North Herts District Council. It opens in the summer months, usually May through September. Here we see the Settlement, built in 1907 as the Skittles Inn, then known locally as the Pub with No Beer. The settlement is now an adult education centre and used for a wide variety of community activities. Ahead we can see the Spirella building, which was created between 1912 and 1920 as the UK manufacturing base of the famous Spirella Corset Company, restored to its former glory in the 1990s by the Letchworth Garden City Heritage Foundation. We finish our tour back at the railway station.